Deja vu.
You're tired. You need to sleep.
How do you do it?
What?
Sleep so little and still look so good.
Are you flirting with me?
Commiserating. Trying to fatten me up?
What if I am?
Suppose I wanted blueberry.
You had that last night. You don't fool me, Trevor Resnick. I have you figured out.
You do, huh?
Mm-hmm.
What else do you know about me?
That you're lonely. When you work graveyard as long as I have, you get to know the type. Hey, everyone gets lonely, Trevor. It's nothing to be ashamed of.
How can I be lonely when I have you to keep me company?